Welcome to NJIT Math Podcast today. My name is Tao Ling and I will try to explain to you how to subtract two polynomials. So just I'll just show you an example and you should be able to know how to do subtract two polynomials. So if you have seen my previous podcast about how to add two polynomials, subtracting two polynomials is actually quite similar. Let's say you have two polynomials that you want to subtract. The first one is 9x to the fourth power minus 6x to the third power plus 4x squared minus 1. And the second one is 2x to the fourth minus 11x cubed plus 5x plus 3. So in order to subtract them, first thing you have to do is line up the proper powers. That means degree 4 line up with degree 4, degree 3 line up with degree 3, degree 2 you cannot line it up with x because this is x squared degree 2 and this is just x degree 1. Okay, you could line up minus 1 and 3. So let's do that. If we write it out nicely, we'll have x to the x 9 to the x fourth, 2x to the fourth, minus 6x to the third, minus 11x to the third. So 4x squared plus x4 squared, it has nothing to line it up with in the second polynomial, so just plus 0. Now in the second polynomial you have 5x, but in the first polynomial you don't have anything with x as its power, so as its term, so it's 0, so minus 1 and plus 3. Okay, so see how I get this. So now in order to subtract the two terms, you keep the coefficients but you subtract. So you subtract, you keep the terms, the degree term, but you subtract the coefficients. So 9 minus 2, 9 subtract by 2 is 7 x to the fourth. So negative 6 minus negative 11 will be negative 6 plus 11, which gives you 5. So it becomes plus 5x to x cubed plus 4 subtract by 0 gives you 4. 4 minus 0 is 4. And here, this is what you have to pay attention. Well, 0 minus 5. What's 0 minus 5? Well, it's negative 5. Okay, so it's negative 5x. So now here, minus negative 1 minus 3 is negative 4, and this will be your answer here. So that's how you subtract two polynomials. First you line up all the appropriate degrees and then you subtract the coefficients. So hope this podcast helps and good luck with your study.